You can go from being an admiral's personal chef to feeding the masses. You can be at the White House, Camp David. You can be on a ship. You can be shore. Our job is to ensure the morale and the health of the crew, and the way to do that is to give our crew what they need to move on and go through their mission that they have to do. You get to see things you don't see here. You get to interact with people that you don't interact with here in the States. They went through a process of, finding different rates for me. And once I got to the rate of culinary specialist, I was like, I'm from the South, I can cook, I'll do it. And I've been a happy CS ever since. It was like, oh, we have a bake shop and we have a wardroom and a CPO mess. All these opportunities for me to expand and get more knowledge, because our time here in the Navy is just not wasted time. It's time that we're actually honing these skills. We're getting training. We're mastering what we love to do.
That's how we do it.